If you run an HVAC company and you're still managing jobs off a whiteboard, a spreadsheet, or with a bunch of text back and forth with your staff, then this video is for you. We're FieldPulse. We build software specifically for HVAC companies, and we're going to walk you through 5 of the most common tools people look at when they're trying to get their operations under control, including ours. We'll be straight with you about what each one does and where the gaps are, so you can make the right call for your business. Before we get into the list, here's what you actually need HVAC software to do for you. You need scheduling and dispatch, not just a calendar, but a live view of where your techs are, what they're working on, and the ability to move things around fast when something changes. You need estimates and invoicing built in. Every time your tech has to call the office to get a price, or your office has to re-enter job info into a separate invoicing tool, you're burning time and introducing errors. You need your techs to be able to run the job from their phone, pull up details, check equipment history, take photos, collect a signature, all without a clipboard or a call back to the office. You need it to connect to QuickBooks because your bookkeeper shouldn't have to manually re-enter everything. And if you're doing maintenance agreements, which you really should be, because recurring revenue is how HVAC businesses really grow, then you need software to manage those automatically. Not a spreadsheet, not a reminder on your phone, automated. If a tool doesn't do most of those things, it's not really HVAC software. It's just a scheduling app. Keep those criteria in mind as we go through this list. We're going to start with FieldPulse, our software, because we think it's the best fit for most HVAC businesses with teams in the 5 to 100 person range. And we want to show you exactly why before we talk about the alternatives. FieldPulse is built for growing HVAC businesses. The scheduling, dispatch, estimates, mobile app, equipment tracking, maintenance agreements, all of it is built around how HVAC businesses actually operate. One of our customers, Black Belt AC, said it well. FieldPulse has more features than Housecall Pro, but works as a real alternative to ServiceTitan without the enterprise price tag or the 6-month implementation. That's exactly where we sit. Let's start with dispatch. This is the dispatch board using team views. Every tech, every job, every status in one view. You can see who's scheduled, who's on the way, who's on site, and who's wrapped up. If something changes, a tech calls in sick, a job runs over, or an emergency call comes in, you just drag the job to a different tech and it's done. No phone calls, no scrambling. Think about what that means on a busy summer day when you've got 15 techs running all over the city. Instead of your dispatcher fielding calls every 5 minutes, trying to figure out who's closest to the next job, they can see the whole board at once and make the call in 30 seconds. Speaking of knowing where your techs are, live GPS tracking shows you every tech's location on a map in real time. If an emergency call comes in and you need to get someone there fast, you don't have to call 4 techs to find out who's closest. Your office can see it, easily pick the technician 2 miles away, you reassign the job, and they're rolling all while you're on the phone with the customer. Estimates are built right into the platform and connected to your price book. Your flat rate pricing, your parts, your labor rates, all preloaded. When a tech is on site and the customer wants to know what a new capacitor and a tune-up is going to cost, they pull up the price book, select the items, and a professional estimate is ready to send in under a minute. Sal Gutierrez, owner of Fair Comfort Solutions, told us he's saving over 6 hours on every estimate since switching to FieldPulse. That's because his price book is already built. All he does is select the equipment and services, and the numbers are right there. No looking up prices, no re-entering data. For your techs in the field, everything lives in the mobile app. They open the app, see their jobs for the day, tap into a job, and they've got everything. Customer info, the address, job notes from the office, and the customer's full equipment history. If this is the 3rd time someone's been out to service that same AC unit, the tech knows that before they knock on the door. They can see what was done last time, what parts were used, and any notes the previous tech left. That context matters. A tech who walks in knowing the unit had a refrigerant issue a year ago is going to diagnose faster and close more work than one who's starting from scratch every time. They can capture photos, get the customer's signature, mark the job complete, all from their phone. And when they do, it updates the job record in real time. The office sees it immediately, no hunting down photos, no calling techs to find out what happened on site, no reconstructing the job just to get an invoice out. That document chase is like an extra job in itself, and it starts in the field every time a job gets left undocumented. When the closeout's complete, the office work takes care of itself. One of the things that makes FieldPulse different from a lot of the tools on this list is how much it cuts down on admin overload. Most platforms force your team to adapt to their system. Complicated menus, endless tab, one-size-fits-all steps. ClearPath fixes that. It lets you build automated workflows that mirror the way your business already runs. A maintenance visit has a different set of guided steps than an emergency repair or a new install. Your techs see a simple focus view that tells them exactly what to do next. Fewer clicks, less confusion, and nothing left undocumented. Customer and job details automatically move through the workflow, so the job gets done once, not twice. Custom Forms lets you build digital checklists and inspection sheets that your techs can fill out in the app. Your 20-point seasonal tune-up checklist, your equipment inspection form, your safety sign-off, all digital, all attached to the job record, and all readable. No more paper forms that get lost. No more trying to read someone's handwriting at the end of the day. Your technicians give the office everything they need while the techs are still on the job site. Speaking of equipment, FieldPulse has built-in customer equipment and asset management. Every piece of equipment at a customer location lives in the system. The model number, the serial number, the install date, the full service history. When your tech pulls up to a job, they see everything that's been done to that unit. Every part replaced, every repair made, every inspection completed. For HVAC businesses, this is a game changer for maintenance agreements. Instead of keeping track of which units are under contract on a spreadsheet, it's all tied to the customer record. You can see at a glance which units are due for service, what's coming up for renewal, and what the service history looks like. And then there's reporting. Revenue by tech, job completion rates, average ticket value, maintenance agreement renewals, the numbers you need to actually run the business, not just do the work. You can see which techs are consistently closing add-ons, which job types are most profitable, and where you're leaving money on the table. The other thing worth saying is that FieldPulse is built to grow with you. The platform has different tiers, and as your operation gets more complex, you can move up and add on tools like Engage for customer communication, fleet tracking, and more. Your maintenance agreements tie to your customer equipment records. Your inventory connects to work orders and estimates. It's one system, not 5 tools duct taped together, and you're not going to outgrow it. Our onboarding takes about a month, not 4 to 6 months, and our support team is real people based here in Dallas, available by phone, email, or chat. We have a 9.6 out of 10 quality of support rating on G2. That matters when something's not working and you've got techs in the field. Now let's move on to some other tools that are worth considering. ServiceTitan is the biggest name in the HVAC software space, and it earns that reputation. If you've got 100 plus technicians, complex enterprise reporting needs, and a dedicated IT person to manage implementation, then ServiceTitan is worth a serious look. The feature list is impressive. Automated dispatch, technician scorecards, marketing integrations, call recording, and tracking. ServiceTitan has invested heavily in building out every corner of the platform, and it shows. But here's the reality for most HVAC businesses watching this. ServiceTitan is built for large enterprises. The onboarding process takes 4 to 6 months. The pricing is at the high end of the market. Think enterprise contract pricing, not a monthly subscription that you can try. And the platform is complex. Powerful, yes, but you need to invest serious time and resources to configure it and get your team trained. ServiceTitan's ease of setup is rated 6.8 out of 10 on G2. Ours is 8.6. Their support quality is 7.7. Ours is 9.6. Those gaps matter when you're in the middle of busy season and something isn't working right, and there's nobody picking up the phone. If you're running a 10 or 20 person HVAC team and you want software that's going to be live and working in a month rather than 6, ServiceTitan probably isn't the right starting point. You'd be paying enterprise prices for a platform you'll spend the first year just learning to use. Housecall Pro is popular with smaller HVAC businesses just getting off the ground. It's easy to set up, the interface is clean, and it covers the basics. Scheduling, invoicing, payments. If you're a 2 or 3 person crew and you just need something better than texting jobs to your guys, it gets you organized. The limitation is that it's designed to stay simple. That's a feature when you're just starting out. It becomes a problem when your business grows and you need more. Housecall Pro has limited, flexible workflows. You're mostly working within their fixed structure. The mobile app is limited compared to what you need for a team running multiple job types in the field. Advanced reporting is limited. Inventory management is limited. If you're running maintenance agreements and need to automate the billing and renewal process, you're going to hit walls. There's no real way to tie equipment history to your maintenance contracts or automate the service reminders. A lot of our customers came from Housecall Pro. The pattern is consistent. It works fine when things are simple, and then the business grows and the software can't keep up. They're doing manual workarounds, keeping side spreadsheets, spending time re-entering data. The question is whether you want to switch twice or just start with something that can scale. Jobber is similar to Housecall Pro in a lot of ways. It's the software people reach for when they first decide they need to get organized. It's straightforward, the interface is clean, and a new dispatcher can learn it in a day. Jobber does some things well. The client portal lets customers view invoices and pay online. Automated follow-ups and review requests are built in. For a smaller operation, those features add real value. Where Jobber falls short for growing HVAC businesses, GPS fleet tracking is limited, custom dashboards are limited, maintenance agreements are limited, advanced reporting is limited. Guided onboarding is limited, meaning you're largely setting it up yourself with documentation and tutorials. The bigger issue, when you need to give a tech a specific checklist for a specific job type, Jobber doesn't really have custom workflows. You end up putting notes in the job description and hoping the tech reads them. For a business with multiple job types, tune-ups, repairs, installs, new construction, that gets messy fast. Jobber's own positioning describes it as software for getting started, and that's honest. But most HVAC businesses we talk to aren't looking for a starting point. They're looking for something they can actually run the business on for the next 5 to 10 years. Jobber tends to be a stepping stone, not a destination. FieldEdge is purpose-built for HVAC and plumbing, which gives it some advantages. It's designed around the workflows of a service business in those trades specifically. The flat rate pricing integration is solid, and it's been around long enough to have good QuickBooks connectivity. There are also some meaningful gaps. Scheduling and dispatching is limited compared to what you'd get from FieldPulse or ServiceTitan. Custom dashboards aren't available. Custom workflows aren't available. You work within their structure. Automated customer communication is limited. So if you want to automatically send appointment reminders, on-my-way texts, or follow-up surveys, you'll be doing that manually or through a separate tool. The ease of setup is rated 7.4 out of 10 on G2, with support at 8.5, below what we deliver on both. And the interface is older than some of the other options on this list, which your techs will notice in the field. FieldEdge works best if you're in HVAC or plumbing specifically, and you're okay working within a fairly fixed system. If you need flexibility, the ability to shape your workflows, build custom forms, automate customer communication, and see your business in a custom dashboard, it's going to feel restrictive. So There it is. 5 of the best HVAC software options out there. Each has its place. If you're running a growing HVAC business and you want software that's going to keep up with you as you scale without the complexity or the price tag of an enterprise platform, FieldPulse is the best option. Scheduling, dispatch, estimates, equipment tracking, maintenance agreements, all of it, built specifically for HVAC companies in one platform. There's a link in the description to book a demo with our team. We'll walk you through exactly how it works for your operation based on how your business actually runs. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. We put out a lot of content for field service businesses. See you in the next one.